Hello, this is Abel from MintPixel. Uh, on this demo, I'm going to explain how we can mint NFT on our mint page. It's a multi-chain NFT where we can mint the NFT on constant and we make the payment in XRP network. And we're going to use Flare state connector to verify the payment that's actually happened on XRP on decentralized way. So I'm gonna show the whole process how that works. So first we need to reserve the NFT. Here we are reserving the NFT. Then we're gonna make the payment in XRP. Okay, this is the amount that we have to pay, and this is the address that we have to send the owner address for this collection, and this is the payments reference. So I'm going to connect my Bifrost wallet to make the XRP payment. Connect. I have my wallets here. So I'm going to make the payment. Okay. Now we have submit the payment, and we need to wait a bit to verify the payment. Okay, great. The payment has been verified. Now we can mint the NFT. First, we reserve the NFT. We haven't owned the actual NFT. We just reserve it, and we make the payment in XRP, and we submit the transaction ID to be verified. Now it has been verified, and we get the proof. And now we have to pass the proof on our when we interact with the mint function. We're gonna pass the proof and mint the NFT and own the NFT. Let me mint the NFT. Fair. So now it's minting the NFT for us. It's checking if the payment's valid. Okay, it's minted the NFT for us now. Let me go here and check what happened here. This is the collection, so I can check here in 30 seconds. I interact with this collection. So if I click here, I can see token ID4 is minted, and there is no any payment is passed. But normally the price was 0.018 constant, but we haven't make any payment because we have already made the payment in XRP.